People have a question in Massachusetts about who has initial custody. And if you're married in Massachusetts, typically in the no prior court orders, it would be joint physical and legal custody until you go to court and the judge determines who has legal or physical custody or whether or not that would remain joint or not. If the parties are unmarried and there's a father and a mother, the mother is the one, unless there's a prior court order, that would have initial legal and physical custody. This is without prejudice so that you can go to court and there's not a reason that mother would necessarily have that. But for good or bad, mother, if the parties are unmarried, starts out with an initial custody order in Massachusetts. Some new issues that are coming up more and more in divorce and custody cases is sports participation, the involvement, and who should pay for it. Even in intact families, you'll see a lot of disputes about what sports the child should play, how much that is going to cost, how involved it should be. And you're seeing more and more in divorce cases and cases after divorces or where custody is at dispute about those similar instances, but amped up to a much higher degree. You can see both parties wanting to do what's in their children's best interest, but having a disagreement. I've had cases where it's just been the cost of horses or boarding horses to parenting time with bowling tournaments or the involvement for AAU basketball or club soccer or hockey. You're seeing sometimes a disagreement with parents in terms of the safety concerns, with one parent being okay with the child playing football or soccer or hockey, and the other parent concerned about the concussions. And they're hard value determinations to make. If you can make that with an agreement and put it in writing, that's better to do. There are disputes about what should be paid for. A lot of the times there won't be a dispute about who pays for rec soccer, as that might be $80 for a season. But if the child plays club soccer and town team soccer as well,